So, first problem tayo. For the first problem, we have to get down the probability. P here stands for the probability of getting a C-score that is greater than 0 but less than 1.85. Again, Z-score daw is greater than 0 but less than 1.85. Ma'am, bakit naging greater than or less than? Paano mo po binasa? So, all you have to do, if this will be the equation, para mas mabasa nyo siya ng mas matino, or you can read it properly, you just cover one side of the inequality first. So, since yung opening of the inequality is in Z, meaning to say, Z should be greater than 0. And then, greater than 0 but less than 1.85. Since the opening of the inequality symbol is facing 1.85. Again, Z daw is greater than 0 but less than 1.85. So, that's how we're going to read that one. So, next. So, since this is the given, the first thing that you will do is you have to draw a normal curve that represents this given probability or given this inequality. So, magdodrawing tayo ng normal curve. Again, ang sabi ko sa normal curve is you draw a horizontal line. This will be our x-axis. And then yung curve itself should be asymptotic to this line. And then bell shape. So, for this, parang ganito ang itsura. Okay po. So, you just extend this line. So, this will be the shape of your normal curve. Wala pong magdodrawing ng bahay ni Patrick Star na nakaganyan. This is wrong. O kaya naman ay parang, halimbawa, ganyan. Mali po ito. Kasi it should be asymptotic and at the same time a bell shape. Ngayon, how are you going to show that that is asymptotic? Dapat the endings for the normal curve should not intersect. And then, bell shape siya. Okay po? Hindi naman kailangan maganda yung drawing nyo. As long as ganito yung itsura niya. Asymptotic and bell shaped. So, next. After drawing your normal curve, the next thing that we will do is we have to locate its mean. Asan yung mean, ma'am? Yung mean po is always on the center of the normal curve. And if we're dealing with C-score, your mean is always 0. Again po, for C-scores, your mean is always 0. And then, just like on the number line, yung 0, yung nasa right side, yung numbers on the right side of 0 is yung mga positive numbers. Tapos, yung numbers on the left side of 0 is negative numbers. Next. Ano ba yung, balik tayo dun sa given? Ano yung values or numerical values na given? 0, ito na. And the other value is 1.85. So, if we will locate 1.85 in this x-axis, it will be somewhere on the right side of 0 since that is a positive number. So, approximately lang, let's say this is 1.85. Ma'am, kami bahala kung nasan yung 185? Yes po. As long as you will plot it right na. Since this is positive, it should be on the right side of 0. If you will plot 1.85 here, then that would be wrong. Next. We have to identify the shaded part. Ngayon, ma'am, how are you going to identify the shaded part? Yung shaded part is yung makakapag-satisfy dito sa given na inequality na C-scores daw should be greater than 0. So, mas malaki sa 0. Greater than 0. So, meaning to say, yun nasa right side niya. But less than 1.85. So, yung normal curve natin is divided into 3 regions. Let's say this is A, B, and C. So, ano po kayang region yung makakapag-satisfy sa given inequality natin na greater than 0 daw pero less than 1.85. So, if your answer is letter B, then you are correct. This is our shaded region. Ngayon, in shading your shaded region, you can use this parang ano ba to, style or whatever na mag-zigzag ka lang. Pwede na yon, shaded region na siya. O kaya naman ay pwede kang mag-drawing ng diagonal lines or kaya naman you draw yung diagonal tas another diagonal. It's up to you. Basta hindi siya magiging plain lang na magiging plain lang na as in ganito. So you just show na that is your shaded region. Wag na pong mag-aksaya ng ballpen na as in talagang kukulayan nyo na ganun. Wag na po. You just mark it as parang something na basta it's not the same with the other regions na as in plain lang. So, paano naging ito yung shaded region mo? Kasi nga po, itong mga numbers na between 0 and 1.85 ang nakakapag-satisfy dito na. Yung mga numbers mo dito is greater than 0 pero less than 1.85. Hindi siya sa C. Kasi pagka sa C na siya, greater than 1.85 na yon. Sabi nga natin, di ba, less than. Hindi din pwede sa left side ng 0 kasi ang sabi is, it should be greater than. And then, if that number is greater than, it should be a positive number. So, hindi din siya dito sa letter A. So, dito lang siya sa letter B. So, that is our shaded region. No need to write ABC. If you want, sige, you may, pero hindi naman necessary. And then, next, after getting the shaded region, punta na tayo dun sa table. So, dun sa table natin, yung sa first column, you have to look for 1.8 kasi 1 yung whole number natin and the tens place is 8. So, 1.8, then you draw a horizontal imaginary line passing through 1.8. And then, in the first row naman, you look for 0.05 since 5 is our hundreds place. So, ngayon, dun sa 5, you draw a imaginary vertical line. Tas yung intersection ng horizontal line nyo and yung vertical line is the area for 1.85. And that is 0.4678. Ngayon, ma'am, nasan yung 0.4678 na yun dito sa ating normal curve? Yung 0.4678, naalala nyo yung sabi ko kanina na the area na nire-reflect nung table natin is the area from 0 up to the given C-score. So, again, yung value that the table reflects is yung value from 0 to 1.885. And just to show you, you can use a parang straight line na ganyan. And this is 0.4678. Ngayon, hindi always na kung ano yung nire-reflect nung table, yun din yung shaded region nyo, ha? It's just that for this example, the shaded region is the same with the area na nire-reflect nung table. That's why, ang final answer natin or yung area nung shaded region natin is the same as this one, which is yung 0.4678 or in percentage, this is 46.78%. Na the probability of getting a C-score which is greater than 1 but less than 1.85 is 46.78% or 0.4678. I will show you another set of examples wherein the shaded region is not the region that is reflected on the table.